Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking stickers that won't bleed. Thin vinyl or laminated is ideal. Once chosen, trim close to the design so excess clear film won't show. Now mix a small batch of resin per manufacturer ratios, measure precisely. Avoid overmixing to reduce bubbles. Pour a 1-2 mm base layer into the mold and cure partially or wait for tackiness. This gives the sticker something to sit on without slumping. Make sure to wear gloves and work. Once the base is tacky, you position the sticker using tweezers, handle by the edges so no oils transfer. Press lightly to seat it, then apply a microdrop of resin around the perimeter to seal and prevent edge lift. After sealing, pour a thin 0.5 1 mm layer over the top to encapsulate, cure it fully. Repeat with additional thin layers until you reach the top of the mold, because thinner layers reduce bubble formation and keep the sticker centered. You finish by curing the final layer completely before demolding. This prevents flex and distortion. Once out, sand any flash with fine grit and polish for clarity. If bubbles appear under the sticker, pop them immediately with a fine needle and apply a targeted tiny resin drop. Then cure. Heat gun briefly helps release small bubbles, but be careful. If you see sticker ghosting or bleed, next time add an ultra-thin white or clear backing under the sticker, or sand and buff the surface to reduce visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.